Guys, how you doing? We've been doing loads and loads of bashing recently. I've just put together a quick montage of the footage that you got coming up that you can expect to see in the next week or so. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you do, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss all this great fun bashing that we've had over the past few days. Also, guys, my eBay course is on special offer. So make sure you check the link down below. Make sure that you get in on the special discounted price. Leave it too late, guys, and you'll miss out. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars. The most of this night, come on baby, take my hand. And we don't need to do the things we don't wanna do.
So as you can see, we've had a ton of fun over the past few days. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the full videos that are coming up over the next few days. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye.